ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What's going on there, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching another video here with me on M54 and more. So just a little update on what's going on or what I'm going to be doing next. Obviously there's always more to come, but we got a lot of parts that we're going to be changing out. First is going to be the E46 because it just feels a little sluggish, but I'm going to look into it and make sure everything's good. It has a little clicking noise when I turn the wheel to the left mainly, and then when I turn to the right it'll like unclick. So I'm going to figure that out. But one of the first parts that I'm going to be changing on it is what we call the Guibo or flex disc or whatever, because I'm sure it has never been changed on this car, so I definitely need to change it. What else do we got? We got more parts and parts. See what we got here. Oh, they are in this. I did not think they came, but we got a bunch of parts from TRG. So we've got some transmission mounts. Here's both of the transmission mounts. I don't think I've changed them on this car, so I'm gonna change them. I definitely have changed these. I think I changed these very prematurely, the engine mounts, because I just want to make sure that my engine mounts are good. Because bad engine mounts cause vibration, messes up other parts. It just doesn't go well for the drivetrain and suspension or whatever. Also, I got some strut towers. I don't know if you guys remember in the strut video that I did. My strut tower was, I thought it was bad, then I thought it was good, but I'm pretty sure it actually is bad. The rubber in it is like separating, so I need to make sure that's good. So yeah, we've got strut towers, engine mounts. These are some good looking engine mounts. Everything in this box is from TRG. This is from Europart. And then we got a bunch of other mounts. Let's put everything together. But that's for the E46. So now, as far as the, I'll just get it out the way, the E36 has not got anything done to it. And still not going to get anything done to it until I can figure out this limp mode for the E92. I've got a job lined up. I should be doing an engine swap on like a Challenger or something like that. So that should pay a decent amount of money. And then once I get that money, I'll use it to do all the body work on the E92. I'm thinking that the limp mode is from the aftermarket cam sensors that I put in. Those could do what's causing the limp mode. But the limp mode only happens when I start it up. After it runs for a little bit and warms up and I shut it off or clear the codes, it doesn't come back. So that's why I'm thinking that it might be those sensors. When the oil finally gets heated up and gets through there, then it's starting to work. So I'm going to go by my homie Mark and try to get 2 sensors that he has in his spare N54, and then I'm going to try those. So hopefully that fixes it. But yeah, so that's my main things to get done. A little more suspension on the E46, and then get the the wheel situation, the limp mode, and the body situation figured out on the E92. Well, that is all. That is it for this video. Just a quick little video rundown of what's going on. I always like to do these here and there, especially when I haven't been working on the cars or whatever, and there's been very little videos coming out. But we got like the motor mount video, the Guibo video, the strut tower video. All those are going to be coming soon. I'm going to make sure I start working on these cars and popping out videos. So if you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn on notifications, and hit that share button. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. I think like 915 we are at as of today. So keep sharing. I appreciate the support. Catch you guys in the next video.